Good morning, Ned and Josie from Finest Life. Excuse me.
On the 22nd of April 2024, and it is quite cool. It was rainy all day yesterday and cool, but today it's beautifully clear and
Beautiful day.
yes. And now we're taking a walk around the block, and we will tell you all about it in short order.
I'll show you some spring flowers. This is my clematis. This plant is about 6 years old, and it has been blooming every year. Just beautiful blue and purple flowers. These are bearded irises here in the gardens of Shuford House and Gardens. They have a clump of bearded irises on this corner and over there as well. And right here are peonies. Peony buds, but in a few days they will open up the blooms. Not sure what color they are, but they are in buds. And over to this side are white roses full of blooms. We have dianthus over here, or carnation. More over there, and daisies, Gerber daisies. I'm not quite sure about this bush here, but it has a pale pink, purplish blooms, and it's loaded. Every stem on this bush is covered with these flowers. Deciduous over there. Yellow jasmines on this arbor. A week ago, this vine was just covered in yellow blooms. They're finishing now, still some in bloom. Some lily over here. Actually, kind of grass. Beautiful blue color flowers. Beautiful on this border bed. Over there in the distance are roses, red roses. Hello.
Here we are again up the head of the street. Been admiring the Shuford Garden. That's my general observation on this beautiful spring day. That's a tad cooler than normal.
Look at this beautiful rhododendron. There in full bloom. This is a hardy geranium. So they bloom in the spring and summer, and in the fall too. They die away and then come back in the spring. And this one here is foxglove bloom. Cinnamon. Red roses. Very beautiful. Beautiful, majestic oak trees. After our walk around the block, I wanted to make hot chocolate tablilla. This tablilla came from Siquijor province in the southern Philippines. We picked this up during our trip. I'm going to make chocolate drink for myself and my husband. We enjoyed our walk this morning, and it was a little bit chilly, so I thought of making tablilla chocolate drink. So this is a chocolate that I made. Smells good. My husband is busy outside looking at some trees with somebody he contracted to cut some trees in our yard. And so I'm going to have this chocolate drink, and he will have his when he is done with the assessing the trees with the tree surgeon. Anyway, let's give it a taste to our Siquijor tablilla. It's really good. It's real chocolate. It is made from the cocoa beans, pure. It didn't have any additive. It is time for you to taste our Siquijor tablilla drink.
And you?
Cheers. Very good.
I tell you, a lot of people make chocolate for cookies and things like that, and a lot of people make chocolate for drinking cocoa, but nothing compares to the wonderful chocolate drink that comes from the Philippines. That comes in a tablet, but it's pure chocolate, and it has been cooked over a fire, so it's got the wonderful chocolate flavor as well as a bit of the smoke. And we got it in the southern Philippines, and we're enjoying it in North Carolina now. I wish you could be here with us.
Cheers.
Everybody, and particularly those that were with us when we got it.
That's right.